Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your local model AI as a fully working agent that can do things for you instead of just replying to what you ask. For the example in today's video, I will be demonstrating how you can use Ollama and how you can turn it into a powerful agent that can work for you in a very easy way. A lot easier than you think it is. I'm going to be walking you through step by step, and my goal is to cover everything that you need to know in order to run and answer any questions that you might have. So before we get into the tutorial, there is something important that we need to cover. The first one is about what actually is Claude Code. Since in these methods we will be using Ollama with Claude Code completely for free. So let's frame this way. Claude Code is a car, a model that can chat with you, and Ollama will be the agent. So what we'll be doing in this video, it's using the harness that is wrapped around Opus and Sonnets and on Claude models that are really smart and actually powering it with Ollama, because we'll be using the CLI that Claude Code provides us. And because we can power Ollama with Claude Code CLI, that means we'll be using some extent of how Claude Code works, and we'll get your Ollama to actually do stuff for us as an agent and not just ask questions and reply to you, but actually ask it to do things, and you actually do things for you on your computer. First, for us to get this to work, we have to have Ollama on your computer, and you simply want to come to the description section down below, and all the links are going to be over there. So come to ollama.com and simply press download it, and as you can see, we have 3 different operational systems: Mac, Linux, and Windows, and it's very simple. All you want to do is to either copy this code right here, or simply press the button. So for this instance, I am on Windows. I'll be clicking Window plus R, this button, and I'm going to type a PowerShell and simply press OK. So because I copied and pasted this link right here, I'm just going to simply copy and paste it right here, and now it's downloading and it's going to do all the installation for us. That's the first method. The second method that you can do, it's simply coming through this downloads button and it's going to download the exe file, and once it's ready, you just simply click it and execute it and install it, and it should be good. For you to check it, you can come here and on your search bar and press Ollama, and this is what you should have. So this is our Ollama, how we can run it. It's installed here. However, we still have to download the model. So the model is very important, because the model is how powerful your brain for your local AI can be. But for this to work, we have to know what your machine can handle. Every machine has a different power to run different models, large models with more capacity, more context, and you need to know this. And one thing that I found that is, I've made a video about it, it's using this tool right here, which is called whichllm. And if you come to whichllm, it's a GitHub repo, you can check it. It's 6.2 thousand people already use it, and I have recommended it in the past. And this is a way that we can find what best local model suits your machine. To use this, let's go to PowerPoint again. As we open right here, we want to get this command, the installation command, which is this one right here, and simply come here and press UV to install whichllm and simply press enter. Okay, and as you can see, whichllm is already installed in my case, and if you already have this, then you want to upgrade, which I have to do, and simply press enter, and this is going to update the setup. And as you can see, it's already updated, and okay, now we can safely use it because it's in the latest version. So we'll bring the latest model and we'll compare to your machine. So let's just quick open again, simply PowerShell, simply copy and paste. Now we're using a different command, and let me make this bigger, and he wants to type this UVX whichllm latest and simply press enter. So now it's detecting the hardware. As you can see, it's fetching the model, so it's doing a full scanning on the latest model. It's comparing with my machine, and it's going to bring us what is the best model for your computer, completely for free and automatic, so you don't have to actually go through and search all the specifications for your computer. And as you can see, right here is going to say the model for the PC. So mine is NVIDIA RTX 360, and what it does is actually telling us that the best model for my machine, which is ranking one, would be Q1 3.627B. You have to pay attention to this because this, as you can see, it's saying it will run partially on my machine. Honestly, the best one that you want is the full GPU, because let's say the speed of the tokens that will process things per second will be 6.7. So each second has the capacity to process 6.7 tokens, while in the second option here, OpenAI GPT, full GPU, it will actually run 114 tokens per second. So the speed that is processing in the second one, because it's full GPU, it's much faster than actually this one Q13. So just see what is the best model that can fit your machine for the actual tokens per second, the speed that it can process. So because I want something faster, it's just for this tutorial, I actually going to go to OpenAI gpt-oss. So this is the model that we want. Okay, we cannot do anything here. So now that we are on Llama, and simply wants to come here and press library, and this is going to bring us to another page called Ollama library, and this is where you can get the actual brain to run your model. So because we already know that the best model that suits my machine is this one here, we need to search OpenAI GPT-oss. So let's put GPT-oss, which is this one here, and as you can see, let's just confirm, is the 20 billion parameter. Okay, so it's this one right here that we need. And if you scroll down here, you have some basic information that you can read through this. But first, what you want to do is to actually fetch this model inside your computer. So you want to come down here, or to come here, Ollama run GPT-oss. You can simply copy this or through the button right here. And we want to go now. Let's open again a clean fresh PowerShell, and you want to simply type this command right here, Ollama run GPT, into PowerShell and press enter. And what it's going to do now, it's going to fetch it. It's going to bring our model that fits on our computer into here, into Ollama, so we'll be able to access through here. Okay, and it's going to be in here in a second. We just have to wait this. It's fairly fast, so just be a little patient. As you can see, it's nearly done, 98%. And what you want to do in the meantime, you can come to VS Code, and you simply come to VS Code, and here's where you can download VS Code, and you simply download it and install it, and it's completely fine. Okay. Once you have installed Ollama and the right model for your computer, you want to come to free Claude Code. We will be downloading the CLI for Claude Code codecs that we can run on our computer, and we can power Ollama, but also you'll be able to power any other provider that you want completely for free. So if you have a Mac, you'll be using, or Linux, you'll be using this command right here. Because I'm on Windows, simply this. Windows R, power, and I'm gonna paste it right here and simply press enter. So now it's checking for running free Claude Code process, choose, install, and verify. So yes, install, verify codecs, install, verify POI, yes. Simply press Y, and enter, enter. And it will talk about optimization globally. Let's do yes for now. Okay, so now it has installed this. It has installed codecs. It has installed our Claude. Now installing POI. So this is done. We actually don't need this anymore. And we have successfully installed free Claude Code. So I know it's a lot of steps, guys, but stay with me. You'll see the results in a second. So now that we have installed everything that we need, let's go to actually launching it and using on our computer. So I'm going to be using VS Code. So like I said, VS Code is very good. I'm going to be using in this folder. If you want to select a different folder location, you simply come to File all the way up here and choose the folder where you want to be working with. Inside, I suggest that you, in fact, let's create a folder. So you can do the manual way, create the folder, and then come here and select where the folder is. Or you can open terminal, and for those to open terminal, you simply come terminal right here, new terminal, okay? Or you can either, if you don't see anything like here and don't press here, you can simply come down here and bring all this the way up. And as you can see now, we are inside the folder. There is nothing here. It's completely normal. Launch again. And as you can see, it's already there for us. All you want to type is this, run Ollama, ChatGPT. So it's asking to hello. So yes, as you can see, Ollama, it's fully working now. So you simply want to come here and press FCC server, press enter. And now it should open a browser tab. Let's just wait. So as you can see, it just loaded the server, it's online. So before we move to that, what you want to do, don't close this, leave it open. Simply open a new terminal here on this plus button or new terminal again. And now what we want to do, leave it as it is. Come to and what we want to do, instead of configuring API key, which have the methods here already on the YouTube, I'm going to put the link related down in the description. We want to actually connect it to our Ollama server. So you want to come all the way down here, and where it says Ollama base URL, exactly as it is here, guys. So let me just try to make it bigger. You want to do this, which is the default connection for your Ollama. So basically what we're doing right here, we're connecting the free Claude Code, stay with me, with Ollama. So once you have added this here, you want to come to model configurations. Model configurations, you want to use the default, or any one of those will be fine. It's just for us to localize inside the free Claude Code. And what you want to do, let's see if we have here. We don't, only NVIDIA, that's completely fine. What you want to do is to type Ollama / and the name of your model. So the name of my model that I'm using is this one right here. So I'm going to copy this and simply come all this here. And I am going to come here and press validate. As you can see, it's green, so I can apply. So it's loading, I have applied, and basically you want to put the provider / the model, okay? So make sure you get the model correct. It could be the latest, but just check again. Make sure you got the right one. Just make sure you copy this, and then it should be fine, okay? If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'm going to help you through. So once this is done, we have set the provider and also the model, the configuration for free Claude Code, and now we can simply access free Claude Code by coming here and type FCC Claude, the way it is here, and wow, this is it. So let's test it now. We want to put /model, and as we can see, it's going, you can either put default, because we have select the default mode here. So this is Fable, Override, Opus, which is directly corresponding to this. So default, Opus, Claude, Fable. So because we put on the default, you can either select this one right here, or you can come to this 7 in Ollama and select this one right here, okay? So let's put defaults. So now that we have selected, let's see if it's working. So, okay, it didn't work on this one. So that's good example. Let's try select straight Ollama. Look for your model here. So in my case, it'll be this one, Ollama GPT lastus. And then let's say hello to test it. Okay, as you can see, it took 1 minute to start replying, and it's loading superpower skills just to think through the reasoning here. But we can tell that this is working. Let's just see what it says. So we have officially got our local model to connect with Claude Code CLI. I know there was a lot of steps, but when you do again, obviously you don't have to install anything, it will be forever. So all you have to do is to launch the server, which is this right here, with the command fcc server and also fcc Claude, and it should be all connected forever. And you basically can run a agent or Llama agent on your computer. So let's give a task to see how we can perform. So I've gave the prompt to produce a snake game on my browser like an old school Nokia phone. So if you remember, yeah, that's what I asked it to do. So let's see how it performs. This is what is produced, guys. So it's a very simple one. It took a long time for it to produce, but you know, he got it right at the end. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.